Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the font size for text boxes in your Goodnotes notebook. So let us dive into this. So head over to your notebook and the page here on Goodnotes in the Goodnotes application, for example, on laptop or desktop computer. Highlight the text inside your text box. I will go with that and direct text here. And from these customization tools, click into the font size and either use that slider here to adjust the font size, or alternatively enter the value here to the left, or use these plus and minus buttons. So guys, if your text or if your font exceeds the text box or doesn't fit into the text box, you may click into the text box border. Use these handles here to resize your text box as well, so that the text has enough space to fill or to cover in that text box. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.